Bitcoin right now is exploding as I am making this video. The question is, how high are we going to get? Stay tuned for more. Welcome back guys again to Gaps Crypto where we trade by data and not by hype. And let's dive into the Bitcoin price. As you can see, ngayon is actually a green day. We have actually broken out of the EMA ribbon that we have been watching for in the past few days. We are now very bullish in the daily time frame. Looking into the 4-hour charts, bullish na din tayo guys. So this is a good sign for all coins, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins that you are holding. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Nakikita natin na very bullish tayo ngayon kay 1-hour chart. So this is very bullish. The question is how high are we going to go? Let's look at the very short term of Bitcoin. Kung titingnan nyo guys, sa Bitcoin, pinopost ko to actually ng isang gabi pa. Nagkaroon tayo ng inverse head and shoulder. So we have here a shoulder, we have a head, and we have a shoulder. This means magkakaroon ng trend reversal pag nagkaroon ng head and shoulder. So guys, if gusto nyo malaman kung paano natin ginagawa itong mga pattern, paano natin siya ina-analyze, meron ako isang video dedicated to how to trade a pattern. You can see that video in the description below. You can watch it and pwede nyo siya i-apply sa mga iba't ibang coins na gusto nyong gamitan. So right now, we have played as predicted from this inverse head and shoulder. So ngayon, the question is how high are we going to go? Para makuha natin yung ating target price, kailangan natin i-measure from the neckline up to the bottom. And then from there on, ilalagay natin siya sa point of breakout. And then makikita mo, ang target price natin is actually 63,000 US dollars. So this is a big move, guys. And mind you, this is a sure move na for me kasi trend reversal na siya and then malakas kasi yung resistance nitong resistance area natin. Since na-break na natin siya, tuloy-tuloy na to for sure. Ano mo pwedeng possible movement niya? Tingin ko ganito pa rin yung magiging movement niya. So, magkakaroon siya ng parang consolidation. Kasi kailangan guys humabol ng mga EMA trend lines natin dito. So, hindi siya basta-basta aakyat. Kailangan niya man lang humabol. So, in order for them para makahabol, kailangan mag-consolidate muna si Bitcoin ng konti at saka siya aakyat. And if that happens, naalala nyo guys, pag sinasabi ko na consolidating Bitcoin, it means altcoins are stronger. So guys, altcoins will be stronger in this vicinity as long as we consolidate and does not move at an all-time high. So, basta dito tayo sa area na to, lahat ng altcoins na hawak natin, aakyat sila. So yeah, that is Bitcoin for the very short term. Talagang very healthy tayo ngayon. Nag-cross na din tayo sa MACD and this is a good sign too kasi every time na we cross the MACD, we see a bullish move. So yeah, expect a bull move for Bitcoin and expect a very strong altcoins in the following days. Looking at BNB, nag-breakout na tayo dun sa pattern na sinasabi ko na ascending triangle. So, ang target natin dyan is 760 but to be conservative, 750 ang personal target ko. So, right now, we are breaking out from the Bitcoin price. Naapektuhan niya ngayon si BNB para gumalaw paakyat. So, same pa rin ang target natin. And then, yung ating short-term target is actually 679 US dollars. Malapit na tayo ma-hit dun sa target na yun. As of now, ngayon pala sasabihin ko na maganda na lahat ang market ngayon. May hawak kang kahit anong altcoins. You are in good hands kasi at si Bitcoin is currently pumping and consolidating na hindi pa nag-all-time high. So, kailan lang ba natin isa-sell yung mga altcoins natin? For me, personally, mag-start ako mag-sell ng altcoins pag na-break ni Bitcoin itong red resistance area. This will indicate na sa Bitcoin na mapupunta ang spotlight. So, this is definitely what we have to look for in the coming days. And guys, today is May 1. Alam nyo ba guys, every first day of the month starting this 2021, lagi nagpa-pump ang Bitcoin price. Tingnan nyo to guys. Today, May 1, nag-start na mag-pump ang Bitcoin for 3%, sumalit pa lang siya. Since start pa lang ng month. But look at this. April 1, nag-pump din siya up to 10%. Kay March 1 naman, nag-pump din tayo. Dito malakas ang pump natin at around 38%. February 1, nag-pump din tayo for around 77%. Grabe yung pump natin doon guys. So, makita nyo, every start ng month, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng pump ngayon ever since. January, nag-pump din tayo ng 46%. So, if nasulit nyo lahat yung mga pump ng every first day of the month, I'm sure you are definitely in a very, very big profit kasi ito 46% pa lang. Meron tayo dito 77. We have 10% to 20% move. So talagang malaki ang effect ng first day of the month pump sa Bitcoin price natin. So ganun din nangyari ngayon kay Ethereum. So si Ethereum ngayon is moving up from this movement and makikita nyo, April 1, nag-pump din siya or 40%. March 1, nag-pump din siya ng 34%. February, nag-pump din siya ng 51%. And January pump is around 90%. So, ganun kalaki palagi yung mga pump natin every first day of the month. Anyway, that's all for the video today. Yung mga ganyang signals, guys, pinopost ko lahat sila sa Telegram group, Discord, and Facebook group. So, if gusto nyo lahat sila makita, you can actually join at our different community group. Link is in the description below. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like. Share it to your friends then. So ayan guys, subscribe for more and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.